To fix Apple Pay not accepting your card, start by ensuring your device and Apple Pay app are up to date. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General, and then Software Update to check for any available updates. Next, verify that your card is compatible with Apple Pay by checking the Apple Support website. Make sure your card is issued by a participating bank and is eligible for Apple Pay. If your card is compatible, try removing and re-adding it to Apple Pay. To do this, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Select the card you want to remove, and tap the More icon. Then, select Remove Card and confirm. After removing the card, go back to the Wallet app and tap the plus icon to add a new card. Follow the prompts to re-add your card, and make sure to enter the correct card details and verification information. Another step is to check your card's expiration date and update it if necessary. If your card has expired, you will need to update the expiration date in the Wallet app. Additionally, ensure that your card is activated and there are no issues with your account. Contact your bank's customer service if you have any questions or concerns about your card or account. It is also important to check for any restrictions on your card, such as spending limits or transaction limits. If you have exceeded these limits, you may need to contact your bank to have them lifted. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with Apple Pay not accepting your card. If you continue to experience problems, you may want to contact Apple Support or your bank's customer service for further assistance. Remember to always keep your device and Apple Pay app up to date, and to regularly review your card details and account information to ensure everything is current and accurate. This will help prevent any issues with Apple Pay in the future.